Hello everyone, today we will discuss an important concept of new criticism called the heresy of paraphrase, given by Clement Brooks. Clement Brooks was a famous American literary critic and one of the main thinkers of the new criticism movement. His idea of the heresy of paraphrase is discussed in his famous book, The Well-Wrought Urn, 1947. What is the meaning of heresy of paraphrase? The word heresy means a wrong belief or a mistake. Paraphrase means explaining a poem in simple words or giving its summary. According to Brooks, the biggest mistake in understanding poetry is to think that a poem can be completely explained by its summary or simple meaning. He says that a poem is not just a message or an idea. A poem is a complete artistic structure where words, images, symbols, rhythm, tone, and irony work together. Main idea. Clement Brooks argues that a poem is not a container of meaning, the poem itself is the meaning. If we remove the language and style of a poem and only give its summary, we lose the beauty and artistic value of the poem. For example, if we summarize a beautiful poem by saying, "Nature is beautiful and gives happiness," we may understand the basic idea, but we lose the poet's choice of words, emotions, imagination, and deeper meanings. Poetry as an organic whole. Brooks believes that every part of a poem is connected. The meaning comes from the relationship between all parts. A poem contains images, symbols, metaphors, irony, paradox. All these elements create the total effect of the poem. Role of irony and paradox. Brooks gives great importance to irony and paradox. A good poem often contains opposite ideas together. These contradictions create a deeper meaning. For example, human life itself has happiness and sadness together. Poetry expresses these complex experiences through paradox. Difference between science and poetry. Brooks says scientific writing can be explained through simple statements, but poetry cannot. A scientific statement gives information, but a poem gives a complete experience. A poem should be understood as an artistic creation, not just as an idea. Importance of the heresy of paraphrase. This theory became one of the important principles of new criticism. It teaches us we should focus on the text itself. We should study the language and structure of poetry. We should not judge a poem only by its summary. The form and meaning of a poem are connected. Conclusion. To conclude, Clement Brooks, The Heresy of Paraphrase, explains that poetry cannot be reduced to simple explanation. A poem is a living artistic structure where every word has importance. The real meaning of a poem exists in its complete form, not only in its paraphrased meaning. Thank you.